So today we are going to study the topic molecules and its types. So let's see. So molecules are the combination of atoms, or specifically we can tell that it is the chemical combination of atoms, right? It is the smallest unit that shows all the properties of a substance. We can understand more about molecules from these examples. Okay. So first is oxygen molecule. As we can see, oxygen molecule is formed by the combination of two oxygen atoms. Also in carbon monoxide molecule, it is formed by the combination of one carbon and one oxygen molecule. In carbon dioxide molecule, it is formed by the combination of one carbon and two oxygen atoms. Okay. In methane molecule, it is formed by the combination of one carbon and four hydrogen atoms. So like this, a molecule is formed. Let's move on to the next topic, types of molecules. So basically we can distribute the molecules into two types. First is according to the number of atoms and second is the type of atoms. Okay. So basically in the number of atoms we can tell us monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic and polyatomic molecules. Based on the types, we can tell that homoatomic and heteroatomic molecules. So we can study more about these. First is monoatomic molecule. From the name says, we know that mono means one, right? So a molecule consists of one atom is called monoatomic molecules. A molecule consists of one atom is monoatomic molecules. From the below examples, we can understand more about that. So these are the examples of monoatomic molecules. We all know about that, right? Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. So these are also called noble gases. Okay. So these are an examples of monoatomic molecules. Second one is diatomic molecules. As the name says, di means two, right? So, a molecule consists of two atoms is called diatomic molecules. So, the examples are oxygen molecule, hydrogen molecule, chloride molecule, carbon monoxide. Okay, these are consists of two atoms. Third one is triatomic molecules. So, tri means three. So, a molecule consists of three atoms is called triatom molecules. Fourth one is, so its examples are sulfur dioxide. So, sulfur dioxide contains one sulfur and two oxygen atoms. Okay, so it is three atoms. Also in water, it's an important molecule. Water contains one oxygen and two hydrogen atoms. So in carbon dioxide molecule, one carbon and two oxygen atoms. Okay. So our last molecule is polyatomic molecules. Poly means many, right? So a molecule consists of many atoms is called polyatomic molecules. We are familiar with polyatomic molecules. So let's see. First is glucose. So did you remember the chemical formula of glucose? Okay. So it's C6H12O6. So here 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms and 6 oxygen atoms. Okay. Second one is CH4. Next one is sulfuric acid. Okay. Sulfuric acid means H2SO4. These contain many atoms. That means hydrogen atoms, sulfur atoms, oxygen atoms. So it is polyatomic molecules. The second calculation is based on the types of atoms. So based on the types, there are two types. First one is homoatomic molecules and second is heteroatomic molecules. Homo means same. So a molecule consists of same atoms are called homoatomic molecule. Let's see. Here ozone, okay, we all know about ozone, right? So a ozone contains 3 oxygen atoms and it is called O3. Okay, so it contains all same oxygen atoms, so it is HOMO. And P4, phosphorus molecule, it contains 4 phosphorus atoms. And sulfur, S8, okay, it contains 8 sulfur atoms. So these are homoatomic molecules. Then the next type is heteroatomic molecules. Hetero means different, right? So a molecule consists of different type of atoms is called heteroatomic molecules. Let's go through the examples. Examples are, we already know that. First one is glucose. It contains many atoms, so it is heteroatomic molecules and it is different atoms. Okay. Sulfuric acid, it contains different atoms like hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen, and HCl, water, all these. So these are the type of molecules. Let's revise our portion. Today we studied about molecules. So what is molecule? It is a combination of atoms. Also, it is the smallest particle that contains all the properties of a substance. Okay, that definition is very important. Next is type of molecules. Monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic and polyatomic. And based on the types, it is homoatomic and heteroatomic. So go through this, and if you have doubts, ask me. So thank you.